In our today's lesson, we discuss about cities all around lesson 5, page number 60 to 63. Learning objectives were identify different types of cities in the world, identify the kind of services each country offers for people, identify how types of cities can affect the economy of a country, identify different types of cities in the world. A city is part of a bigger country. Many cities can be found in one country. A city is a huge town with a significant or major size and importance. Each city contains different services that attract people. Different cities offer different services, and consequently, people would visit each city according to the kind of service they are looking for. Introduce the types of cities in the world. Number 1. Industrial city. In these cities, huge factories are built to manufacture heavy industries such as ship, airplane, cars. These things are usually expensive because their production is expensive. In the first place, these things are manufactured in industrial cities because such cities offer a lot of money, raw material such as iron, copper, power resources such as coal and petrol, and enough experienced labor who can execute such difficult jobs, mostly important. Industrial cities are usually far from cities where people live because they produce a lot of air and water and noise pollution. Business cities, big business interaction. The process of buying and selling happens in these cities. Offices, professional buildings, special shops, branches of major brand stores, hotels, cinema theaters, all are found in business cities. Usually have the biggest land value, which means if someone wants to buy a piece of land in a business city, he would pay much more than buying a piece of the land in the mountain. For example, such cities have little or no industries. Religious cities. These cities are important for their religious significance. People visit such cities for many reasons, such as performing pilgrimage, a sacred of or holy journey to a religious place. Some important places or some important religious cities in the world are Makkah. It is found in Saudi Arabia and it is the holiest city for Muslims. Vatican City. It is found in Rome, Italy, and it is the residence or home of all popes, the head of the churches. Ancient and touristic cities. Such cities are perfect for vacation since they have calm areas, good weather, and old places to see and learn about. People are attracted to such areas for their ancient and touristic importance. Example of such cities: City of Rome in Italy, that is famous for the Colosseum, a huge stadium. City of Seoul, ancient and touristic cities. Such cities are perfect for vacation since they have calm areas, good weather, and old places to see and learn about. People are attracted to such places for their ancient and touristic importance. Examples of such cities: City of Rome in Italy, that is famous for Colosseum, a huge stadium. City of Seoul in South Korea, that is famous for its building and ancient places. City of Beijing in China, that is famous for its Great Wall. Tourism. More touristic places, more job opportunities. Countries depend on their resources to help flourish their economy. Countries usually depend on agricultural products, but the countries that cannot do that depends on other resources. One of these resources is called tourism. The country benefits from the money tourists spend. Therefore, this will lead the country to organize many other touristic places tourists might be interested in. How do countries gain more income through tourism? The government of each country have other ways to gain more money through tourism. Direct tax, indirect tax. Direct tax. When an individual works in a company, he receives a salary for the work done at the end of each month. The tax or the fee imposed on the employee will be deducted from his salary. The same happens with companies. The government deducts the tax from the company's income. These are called direct taxes. Indirect tax. The indirect taxes are imposed on the goods and services. Tourists and the local people of country go shopping, eat in restaurants, live in hotels, etc. Therefore, they participate in paying taxes to the government.